So if your StockX app is not working in 2026, yeah, like it won't open, keeps crashing, or just gets stuck on the loading screen, don't worry, this guide will help you fix it fast. First, force close the app completely and then reopen it. This fixes most temporary glitches. Next, restart your phone or tablet. This clears background errors that can stop the app from working. Now, check your internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to make sure the connection is stable. Next, go to the App Store or Play Store and update StockX if there's a new version available. Now, clear cache if you're on Android, or uninstall and reinstall the app if you're on iPhone. Next, make sure your device has enough free storage. Low storage can cause apps to freeze or crash. Now turn off any VPN or proxy. StockX may block or limit access from unusual locations. If it still doesn't work, StockX servers might be temporarily down, so wait and try again later. Finally, if nothing works, contact StockX support and explain your issue with your device details, and that's it. That's how you fix the StockX app not working step by step in 2026.